Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the cube puzzle game. First, let's understand the cube's basic structure. It has 6 distinct faces, each with 9 individual stickers. You'll notice that each corner piece displays 3 different colors, while every edge piece shows 2. Your ultimate objective is to manipulate the cube until each of its 6 faces is a single, solid color. This foundational understanding is key to beginning your solving journey. Now, let's tackle the first layer. Pick any color to start. Many find white or yellow easiest. Your initial step is to construct a cross on this chosen face, ensuring the 4 edge pieces align with their respective center colors. Following this, you will carefully insert the 4 corner pieces. Each corner must match its 3 adjacent colors perfectly, completing your first full layer. With the first layer complete, we move to the middle layer. This involves correctly placing the 4 remaining edge pieces. You'll need to identify which edge pieces belong in these middle slots. Then, by applying specific, short sequences of moves, you can accurately insert each one. Remember to ensure each edge piece aligns perfectly with its 2 adjacent center colors, bringing you closer to a solved cube. For the final layer, our goal is to complete the entire cube. Begin by forming a cross on the top face, not worrying about the corner pieces just yet. Once the cross is formed, you'll then orient the 4 top corner pieces so their colors face upwards. The very last step involves permuting both the 4 edge pieces and the 4 corner pieces into their final, correct positions, solving the entire puzzle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.